What do you have there, Ellie?
So these are a very powerful little trio, and I wanted to pick your brains about them because I'd love to know whether they need to be all used at the same time and which one I use first and how they work in your regime.
Yeah, so these are our Hyperboost serums, and they use a very special technology that is unique to Melvory. This is your high-strength vitamin C Hyperboost serum, Niacinamide serum, and Hyaluronic Acid serum. So together, they're gonna give you the most amazing skin. They are basically going to give you clinical grade treatment, but you can access this from the comfort of your home without having to step into a skin clinic.
Wow, and they look amazing. I can see they've got some really fancy little bubbles going on there. Can you tell me what they are?
Yep, so this is our very special technology that is exclusive to Melvory. They're called DewyDrops Botanical Complex, and basically what it does is that it encapsulates the actives in it so that they don't break down. They're very stable, which means every single pump, every single drop that you use in your skin delivers the 100% active.
So, is this the way we order them? Can you give us a walkthrough on how you would use them together?
Yeah, this is exactly how you would use them in order. So when you layer your active serums, you always start with the one that has the highest strength,
Okay.
your most powerful active. So in this trio, the most powerful one is your vitamin C 10%. So I'll go with that one first, followed by your niacinamide. So niacinamide is kind of like your jack of all trades and master of a lot of things.
Okay.
It is a fantastic ingredient. It targets things like pigmentation, minimizes pores, reduces breakouts, brightens your skin. So it does a little bit of everything. The vitamin C, it's really strong in its anti-inflammatory properties. So if people are prone to redness and breakouts, if you have sunspots, pigmentation from sun damage, your vitamin C goes in there and fixes it. Your HA serum is the one that brings in the plumpness. It gives you instant hydration, so then your skin is looking plump and glowy. So you can use all three of them together. We did formulate them in such a way that they are high strength, but not crossing the line where it starts to irritate the skin. So these three are still formulated to give you clinical grade results, but still great for people with sensitive skin.
So if you do have sensitive skin, would it be useful to introduce these one at a time to see how your skin feels?
Yep, absolutely. You can go one at a time. You can also split them up by pairing up the vitamin C with the HA serum or pairing up the niacinamide with the HA serum and then doing them alternate days.
Right, great. And would you be using these both morning and night?
Yes, you can use them both morning and night. They do not cause photosensitivity, which means there are some ingredients that cause your skin to react when you're under sunlight. These ones don't. So you can use them both morning and night. It just means you get double dose.
Double the benefits.
Yeah, double the benefits.
I do have one question for you. If you are an original Hyperboost serum lover, they do look a little different with the new technology. Is it still going to give you the same amazing results as the original Hydra Petals?
Yes, absolutely. It will give you the same results. So the active ingredient hasn't changed. It's the technology that we've changed because we have found that these ones protect the active for a much longer time and it helps to deliver it even better into the skin.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so it's an upgrade.
Yeah, definitely. Well, this is a little sneak peek for you with the trio of goodness. We cannot wait to get these into your home.